Welcome to this presentation on Flying Pigs, Far and Beyond, evaluating LLM reasoning in counterfactual worlds. This research was conducted by Anish R. Joshi et al. And published in DEC 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Large language models LLMs demonstrate impressive reasoning abilities, but struggle when faced with information that contradicts their training data. This paper investigates the performance degradation of LLM in counterfactual worlds, where premises conflict with their parametric knowledge. We introduce counter logic, a benchmark designed to isolate logical validity from knowledge alignment. We developed counter logic, a benchmark comprising 1,800 examples across 9 logical schemas, designed to systematically evaluate multi step logical reasoning under knowledge conflicting conditions. Each example is balanced for logical validity and knowledge alignment. We also utilized 5 other reasoning datasets: hierarchical syllogisms, not open parenthesis, implicit, explicit, close parenthesis, folio, and Logic Ben Chapter 11 LLMS were evaluated using a standard chain of thought, open parenthesis, T close parenthesis prompting strategy as a baseline. Our comprehensive evaluation of 11 LLMS revealed a consistent performance degradation in counterfactual scenarios. Models averaged 72 accuracy on knowledge aligned problems, but dropped to 58 on counterfactual problems, a decline of 14% Sarin% for Station Karenji. This gap was not significantly influenced by reasoning depth, but was highly dependent on the logical schema, with negation heavy tasks showing performance gaps exceeding 30. The proposed flag reason far intervention significantly mitigated this issue. The observed performance gap highlights a critical vulnerability in LLMS, not a deficiency in logical processing itself, but a struggle with belief inhibition, the inability to suppress ingrained parametric knowledge when it conflicts with task premises. This mirrors human belief bias. Our intervention, inspired by human metacognition, effectively addresses this by inducing a temporary epistemic compartmentalization. This study demonstrates that LLMs exhibit a significant performance drop when reasoning in counterfactual scenarios due to a failure in belief inhibition. We introduced counter logic, a benchmark for evaluating this phenomenon, and the flag reason open parenthesis FAR close parenthesis intervention, a metacognitive strategy that prompts models to first flag knowledge conflicts before reasoning. And they are effectively half the performance gap between knowledge aligned and counterfactual reasoning, increasing overall accuracy by 4.